The resistance is increasing your authority. I was lost in thought in the car today, and I began to feel that there are many that have been facing high-level resistance. It's been discouraging you, frustrating you, and exhausting you, and you feel like everything is harder than it should be. The enemy knows you're breaking new ground right now, and he's trying to wear you out. Be encouraged. God is using it to strengthen you. Just like building muscle, it takes resistance. I want to read to you from James 1:2-4, and it says, "My brethren, count it all joy when you fall into various trials, knowing that the testing of your faith produces patience. But let patience have its perfect work, that you may be perfect and complete, lacking nothing." Listen, every plan of the enemy will only propel you further forward. You are blessed and God is with you. Share this with a friend.